Now we continue our week-long series, Get to Work, America. Today, it's all about small business. During his State of the Union address, President Obama proposed a lot of help for small businesses.
I'm proposing that we take $30 billion of the money Wall Street banks have repaid and use it to help community banks give small businesses the credit they need to stay afloat. I'm also proposing a new small business tax credit, one that will go to over 1 million small businesses who hire new workers or raise wages. Let's also eliminate all capital gains taxes on small business investment.
So where do those proposals stand today, and have banks started to lend to the small businesses that need the cash? Michael McKean is CEO of the Nolan Group. His company makes products designed to help hotels book conferences and other events, and has done so by getting more credit from a major bank. Also with us, Giovanni Cortolo, Vice President of Small Business Policy for the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. Michael, I want to start with you. Your company's done really well. 2009, total revenue $3.7 million. You had 38 employees at the end of 2009. Now you have 48. That's a 26% head count. Explain, why did the bank decide to give you this extra line of credit, and what is your advice to fellow small business owners?
Absolutely. That's a great question. One quick thing, your number's a little bit off. We did 6.2 last year.
Okay.
So we grew a little bit more. You know, I'm not 100% sure. I think that the banks just decided, you know, the credit was loosening up. We tried to get this loan for a good 2 years, and there's no real reason we shouldn't have got it. We're a fast-growing company. We grew our monthly revenues over sixfold since 2007, and eventually, you know, we talked to every bank, and finally it was a regional bank, and they just said they would do it. You know, we asked them, and they just said that things have improved for them.
Giovanni, which small business sectors are doing the most hiring at this point?
Well, certainly we see job growth in education and healthcare services, business and professional services such as software, high tech, green tech, energy, small uptick in manufacturing. Obviously, it depends on what sector you're in, and geographically it can change too.
And Michael, since you're in the process of hiring more people, and there's so many people out there looking for a job, what's your advice to somebody who may come to a small business owner like yourself, want a job? What sort of skill sets are you looking for right now?
Well, you know, we're looking for good people, and to be honest with you, it's one of those things where, because there's still a little bit of pain in the economy, we've actually been able to hire some pretty good people, some very good people that I think in a better economy we wouldn't have been able to get because we're a small business. You know, we're not these big, huge companies, but you know, just keep trying. I would say keep trying.
And what's the strategy for a small business to keep growing right now?
That's a tough one. You know, add client value. You know, it's all about the client, and help your clients. You know, and innovate, which is what we do.
And Giovanni, the Obama administration and Congress, they're on the verge of passing this $15 billion job bill. How do you see that impacting the small business sector?
Well, you know, it's just nibbling at the edges. Certainly there's an overall theme that's going through as far as Capitol Hill. Small businesses don't know what their energy costs are going to be next year. They don't know what their taxes are going to be next year. Small banks have stopped lending to small businesses, and customers have stopped buying from small businesses. So it's been probably the roughest 2 years for a small business owner since World War II.
But Michael, those unknowns, does that affect you right now?
Well, of course. I mean, they affect all entrepreneurs. I would say, you know, what I've seen, and I have a lot of friends that are entrepreneurs, that I think things are starting to get a little better. I mean, I really do. I've seen it from a number of people. And you know, are we out of the woods yet? I don't know, but I think we're close.
Well, Michael McKean, congratulations to you on your success, and much continued success, of course. We appreciate you coming on. Also, thanks to Giovanni Cortolo, Vice President of Small Business for the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. Thank you both. Interesting.
Thank you.